Blueye Pro. Here is another piece of equipment that will ease and improve the work of professionals, instead of simply replacing them. Blueye Pro from the Norwegian company, Blueye Robotics is a drone designed specifically for underwater inspections. All its details and features were adjusted to the specific needs and requirements of professional inspectors. Blueye Pro is equipped with a camera that transmits high-quality images to the control panel. By the way, you can use the special app in any smartphone to control the drone. The improved stabilization system provides a better view of the surface, and small details. The drone is not wireless. It's connected to the cord, nevertheless the maximum dive depth is as much as 300 meters. The Blueye Pro produces a bright directional beam of light to ensure that nothing escapes your eyes. Moreover, the lamp has a 90-color rendering index. This means that the colors of the objects are as close as possible to their true colors in perfect lighting. On top of that, the camera has a swivel mechanism so you can point it in the right direction in one motion. Revolution ROV. The main problem of the underwater drone industry is that, many familiar useful proven technologies do not work underwater. For example, GPS doesn't work, which significantly complicates navigation and awareness of your position in space. Specialists of the Canadian company Deep Trekker Inc. thought about how to solve the problem, and created the Revolution ROV. A completely new technologically advanced drone. It's equipped with a large number of sensors, that collect information about the environment, and thus allow tracking the movements of the device on a map. The operator can also set up waypoints to create a defined route to track data over time, in addition to all the above. It is possible to keep the drone in a certain depth and position, for a while. The quality of the camera is better than that of the drones mentioned earlier too. The Revolution ROV shoots in 4K, at the same time a special patented technology allows to rotate the camera by 260 degrees. Expanding the shooting angle, the maximum depth of immersion is 305 meters. The battery lasts for 8 hours and can be replaced in a couple of minutes. Increased stability, sonar, the ability to work with a manipulator arm, all of these are significant advantages. As you can see, Revolution ROV is a professional drone for specific purposes, so its price is $67,000. Keelcrab. The maintenance of watercraft is a very difficult process. And there aren't many professionals who can perform this work. So they are always in demand. However, this situation is gradually changing. Because, there is new modern equipment that can take on some underwater tasks. One of the most notable examples is the Keelcrab drone, developed by the Italian company Erfa SRL. The device is compact, weighs 10 kilograms, and effectively removes dirt on any type of watercraft underwater in 1 minute. It cleans up to 2 square meters of surface. Moreover, the developers took into account that, the submersible part of boat is not flat at all. For this reason, Keelcrab is designed to work on convex curved surfaces, corners, bends, uneven seams, and so on. No matter the surface, the drone can easily remove guy and any other vegetation. Tests have also shown that regular use of the drone even increases the efficiency of anti-fouling coating, which prevents shells from attaching to the surface. You don't have to worry about the safety of the device. Either it attaches to the vessel very tightly. Thanks to a vacuum system, the Keelcrab is maneuverable and can move in any direction. The remote control and the built-in camera allow you to understand which areas were missed and are still dirty. Remarkably, the rubber bristles work delicately without damaging the hull or leaving any scratches. The drone cable allows it to be up to 20 meters away from the operator too. You can buy it for $3,500. Aquabotix Endura 100. Of course, modern market offers more than one drone model for underwater inspections. The Endura 100 is another example. This product is developed by the American specialist from Aquabotix a few years ago. When the Endura 100 was launched into mass production, it was called the most innovative and perfect underwater drone in the world. And there was a reason for that. It's simple to use, and its hardware and software are much more reliable, when compared to other drones. Other notable features are its compact size, and its amazing maneuverability. The Aquabotix Endura 100 can even reach tight hard-to-reach places. It can also rotate in any direction around its axis, and even do somersaults underwater. The drone has 5 tiny but very powerful motors, that are responsible for movement. The maximum dive depth is 300 meters. Its load capacity is 3 kilograms. The HD camera captures video in 1080p and the LED light output is about 4,400 lumens. If necessary, the Aquabotix Endura 100 is supplied with additional equipment. For example, side scan sonar scanning, sonar manipulator, arm environmental sensors, and more. In other words, the Aquabotix Endura 100 is a universal piece of equipment that provides accurate high-quality data, and great results for underwater research and inspections. PowerDolphin. At first glance, it may seem that you're looking at some weird-looking and fast animal. In a way, you're right. This drone is called the PowerDolphin for a very good reason. Unlike all models that have already been shown today, this device is designed to work on the water's surface. The camera has a viewing angle of 220 degrees. Which means it's an ideal tool for operators in action, shooting for example. You can shoot surface emerging from a wave. The PowerDolphin also allows you to make photos and videos of unsurpassed quality. Thanks to its 4K Ultra HD camera, but that's not all. If you want, you can lower the camera so that you can shoot underwater. PowerDolphin has a remote control and is powered by 2 small but powerful propellers. Notes the complete absence of wires, which greatly expands its functionality. By the way, the drone is ideal for patrolling. It can move independently from one given point to another, or you can highlight an area on the map, where the drone will move in a random direction. Filming everything with its camera, the drone reaches a speed of 10 miles per hour. The battery lasts for 2 hours and the price starts at $800. Biki. Here is amazing underwater drone. The specialists of the American company RoboSea wanted people to see the world with the eyes of a fish. And basically that is why Biki looks like a small robotic fish. It reaches low speeds just over a mile per hour. The Biki was created for everyone and his speed is enough for you to have fun. The drone can swim to a depth of 60 meters. Works quietly so as to not scare underwater creatures and shoots video in 4K Ultra HD quality. Its built-in memory is enough to store 90 to 120 minutes of video. The wide camera angle of 150 degrees. A stabilizer and 2 headlights. It offers additional advantages that make using the camera easier, and more convenient. Who would want to use Biki? Though the developers believe that it's perfect for people who spend a lot of time near water. Swimmers, divers, fishermen, and so on. Biki will make your pastime more memorable and offer you new ways to have fun. It's noteworthy that the drone is safe both for people and animals. Its price starts at $600.